The birds have someone to keep them company. They have a mate and their little ones. I don't have no one. I'm sad. I wish I had a girlfriend. I wish I had a wife. I'm a lonely man. But Jesus, I just hope you can send the right woman to me, please. I know I'm not worthy. I don't feel it. But I wish I could find someone. Want to get closer to you, Lord. And I'm tired of fake women in the past that pretended to like me, just to take me for granted. There were a few real women that I met, but still had bad luck because we had some differences. But anyway, I have to move forward to the future. I just hope, God, that you could allow me to be with someone soon. Please. It's hurting me inside. I've been depressed for years. Been sad. Seems hopeless. I'm happy for my friends and family who have somebody in their life, but I don't have no one. And it tears me up. Oh man. But it's beautiful out there in the backyard. Hope my princess, I hope my soulmate is watching this video. Whoever it might be, only God knows. I'm trying not to give up on love. Oh man. Keep your head up, Terry.